Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see all answers in Google Forms. So as you can see right here, you have an example for Google you have an example for Google Form. So what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead. Let me change it to English right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just translate it right here to an English. Right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and wait it out for a few moments. You're going to see right here, this program, I recognize fishing species. I want to bring to your attention that that step might not work for other disks. So just follow along. Click the right mouse, in which you're going to see right here, you're going to see view page source. And basically in the page source, you're going to see a lot of coding and a lot of things that related to that form. So you're gonna see right here head, shortcut icon sizes, and you're gonna be able right here to see briefly the answers from here. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.